name's Helga, and this here's my husband, Henry. Henry loves to go golfing. Are you gonna go tee now?
I just went.
We just celebrated our 40th anniversary, and we're planning a golfing holiday. Where should we go, Henry? Hawaii?
Good. How are you? I'm hungry though.
Did you get some of that sponge cake left over from our party last night?
It was too chewy.
Oh no, I must have used the wrong sponges.
I should have married a camel dinner.
Hey, on second thought, I think I'm gonna send you to the moon for our anniversary. If they can put one man on the moon, they can put all of them there.
Hey,